Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO F8 Pro and let me share with you how to use floating windows on this device. So first of all, what I highly recommend to do is to open and close the apps which you'd like to use in the floating view, and then open the recents. So here I would like to use calculator and notes at the same time. So let's start with the calculator. All you have to do is to tap on it and hold it, and then tap on this icon right here, which is assigned to the floating windows. So just tap on it, and as you can see, our device will show us the calculator inside the floating window. We can open the recents again to open notes in the floating windows also. So tap on it and hold it, and tap on this icon. And as you can see, right now we've got two different floating windows on which we can still work, because all of them are active. We can normally use it and enter, for example, the numbers in the calculator. Sorry, I've just added it to the full screen, but that's okay. And still we can use the notes. Moreover, after tapping on the three dots icon here in this floating window, you can choose the option to how you'd like to show it. So either like a window here, or you can apply it to the bottom of the screen like that. So now the screen is divided into two even halves between the calculator and the notes. You can also set it at the top, so the same situation, and you can obviously apply it to the full screen. You can tap on this plus icon here to open new app, and to turn it off, simply tap on the three dots icon and tap on this X button right here. So this is how to close them. If your device will do something like that, you can quickly open the, for example, in my case, calculator to the full screen just by swiping it all the way up. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.